Namaste, this is Hani Vachani and you're watching channel Being Harmony, a harmonious way of living life. If you're liking this kind of videos and you feel you're getting a daily message which keeps you going in a positive manner in your life, do subscribe to my channel right now and surely put up in the comment box how are you feeling about these videos and daily messages, and is it helping you or is it serving any purpose, or how is it bringing any change into your lifestyle or your inner perception or outer way. So I would love to hear you, and please pause the video, tap it on the comment box. What do you think about these videos? Do you want more of them, or do you feel they're enough? I'm waiting for your feedback. That will keep me changing and improving on myself and give you the best. Okay, so we are back from this book, Trust Life, from Louise Hay, and we are on day 4 of September. Let's see what is the message for all of us. I live in an abundant universe. So this is an affirmation from this book today. You're going to type it in the chat box. I live in an abundant universe. Let's see what's ahead. Our pursuit of money must contribute to the quality of our lives. If it does not, that is, if we hate what we do in order to get money, then money will be useless. So many of us are into the jobs we hate to do, in the business or the work we so detest about it, and then we expect prosperity to come from something which we don't love. So it's not possible according to the law. Prosperity or money is a form of energy. Wherever there's love, energy, feeling gratitude about it, more will flow. So that's an eye-opener. Let's see where we stand in our life. Do we love going to our jobs, or do we hate, or are we doing just for the sake of money and we are not enjoying? We are not feeling prosperous in our fun and joy. So let's see what's ahead. What's beautiful. Prosperity involves the quality of our lives as well as any amount of money that we possess. It's not only about money, it's a quality of life. So how happy you feel throughout the day, how grateful you are throughout the day, how passionate you are about the work, when you're working. So that's about prosperity and money also. Prosperity is not defined by money alone. It encompasses time, love, success, joy, comfort, beauty, and wisdom. So when you have all of these together in your life, you are prosperous. Okay? For example, you can be poor with respect to time. If you feel rushed, pressured, and hurried, then your time is steeped in poverty. So you feel, I don't have time to watch this 5 minutes video, honey. There's so much to do. I have to get up, do this, do that, do this. And then I understand you're not prosperous in time. It's not always about money. You might have all the money you want to have, but you're always rushing. There is no time to relax, take breath, or enjoy your food, enjoy your meditations. That means you're poor in time. So let's see further. But if you feel you have all the time you need to finish any task at hand, and you're confident that you can finish any job, then you are prosperous when it comes to time. Know that whatever you believe, they can be changed in this moment. So whatever your beliefs are, they can be changed in this moment. It's always about the power is always in the present moment. The power that created you has given you the power to create your own experiences. This is so powerful. We are all going to write this in the chat box. I love it. I'm going to repeat it. The power that created you, the divine power, the universal power, the divinity, the source, whatever you can call it. So the power that created you has given you the power. He has given you the power to create your own experiences of love, joy, fun, having enough time, having more than enough money. Or you can create the experiences of lack and rushing and all those stuff. And you can change. That power is also within us. So that's all for today. Introspect it and do write in the comment box how did you feel it and which area. So this is a beautiful question to get inside and answer. Which areas of your life do you feel prosperous, and which areas of your life do you feel poor? It could be prosperous in living comfortable life but poor in time or relationships. Some areas we are very good at, some areas we need to work on. So which are those areas? We'll create affirmations together. So this is Honey with Shani, your Love Yourself Life Coach. I love you. God bless you. Keep growing in your life. Take care. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, same time, same channel, Being Harmony.